Hi, my name is Susan and I would love for you to join me for a free Sketching Leaves Masterclass which is coming up on Monday the 14th of October at 7 o'clock. We will be joining together on Zoom for a 45-minute sketching session focusing on these wonderful things here, leaves. Now, I love sketching nature and leaves in particular. At this time of year, autumn in the UK, there are some wonderful shapes and colours of leaves out there, and I want to help you capture these on the page using pencil, bit of coloured pencil and a bit of pen as well. We're going to begin with a little warm-up exercise or two just to get us in the zone, and together we will sketch and get creative. Now, this session is wonderful for setting aside some time just for you so that you can spend some time with your sketchbook, indulging in your creativity, exploring your pens and pencils, and also sharing the experience with other creatives just like yourself. Now, if you're anything like me, I have a pretty busy life and finding time for sketching can be quite difficult. So I will also be sharing tips on how you can do things in just 5 or 10 minutes so that you're tapping into your creativity on a regular basis. So register today to join the session. It will be live and delivered via Zoom, so you can join on video or turn your video off, it's not a problem. And we will sketch together live, but it will also be recorded. So if the time and the date don't work for you, please don't worry. The session will be recorded and you can watch it back as if you were live in the classroom with me. And as I said at the beginning, it's completely free to join. So join, invite a friend or two, and let's sketch together leaves and have a lovely old time. And I will see you there. Take care.